Hello, good evening. Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are well. My name is Ghulam Mustafa. I live in Shirazganj, district of Bangladesh. I am 36 years old. In 2014, I graduated from IUBT Department of Civil Engineering. I love to travel because I love to travel because experiencing and food, washing, and historical place hide is my hobby. That's why from 2015 I joined a local travel and tourism company to fulfill my fantasy. Besides my real estate and construction firm profession, recently I have admitted JLPT course prepare for N5 exam. I am married. My wife is government service holder. I have one son. I live with my family, including father and mother. I love swimming and playing and reading book. I also love white color. My favorite dish is fish barbecue. That's all about myself.